You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Friday, September 13th, traders were faced with unexpected news. The probability of a more significant Fed rate cut by 0.5% has increased again. This came as a surprise to many, since the day before it was believed that a 0.25% rate cut was almost inevitable. This situation began with publications in the Financial Times and the Wall Street Journal, which stated that the decision on the rate remains a difficult choice. Additionally, former president of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, Bill Dudley, who remains an influential figure, said at an event in Singapore that there is a strong argument in favor of a 50 basis point reduction. The probability of a Fed rate cut by 50 basis points rose to 43%, compared with 28% at the beginning of the trading day in Asia. Central banks such as the Fed and the Bank of England are in a period of silence before their meetings, and the ECB did not give a clear forecast for further action after the last rate cut. This news weakened the dollar's position. Its exchange rate approached its lowest level against the yen this year and continued to decline against the euro. The weakening of the dollar pushed gold to a new record of $2,570 per ounce. In the oil market, prices continued to rise, supported by production disruptions in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Francine forced oil companies to evacuate platforms before it hit the Louisiana coast. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures rose 39 cents, or 0.6%. If the current growth continues, both types of oil will break a series of weekly losses, despite a difficult start to the week. However, forecasts remain gloomy as OPEC and the International Energy Agency lowered their estimates of demand growth this week. And now to the crypto market. Bitcoin quotes continue to remain above the support zone located below the $53,500 mark. However, the price increase for today also does not look confident. Given the end of the week and the decision on the key rate by the U.S. Federal Reserve System, expected next week, it is not necessary to count on significant movements today. Naturally, if the case does not concern any unexpected events. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.